How to purchase heroes in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can equip different characters and purchase them. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this heroes icon. Simply tap on heroes. So this is the section of heroes. You can see different characters and heroes that are available. Now simply select the hero that you want to buy. So here I'm tapping on one. Here on the bottom, you can see this purchase option. Simply tap on purchase. Now before purchasing it, you must have these currencies available. So you can even request them, or you can even get gifts from different players and friends. So there are different options by which you can get the hero. After doing that, you'll obtain it and you can easily use the hero in the battlefield. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.